Yes. Yes. Well, yes, quite indeed. Indubitably. I went outside and I saw red, a contortion of materials I could name in my head. Names given to me by the people told me to read, named by the people that came before me. And I went outside and I smelled red. Those turbulent particles swirled around my head and into the cracks between my fingertips and into the gap between my silent lips. And I went outside and I found red. Every drip, every drop of me alive, not yet dead. And everywhere you go, you leave somewhere behind. But in order to do so, you must make up your goddamn mind. And I went inside and I felt blue, a bright reminder I'm without you. And I left a note on the fragile shelf above your bed. Took you a few red days before you read it. Now I look back and I see red. Every mountain, river, couch and bed. Perpetual motion has become my best friend. So I'll come and I'll go and tell everything is right. Boom. I don't think we need to do it again.
No.
I think that was perfect.
Yeah.
Raven loves the shiny things, foil color and engagement rings. Rafters came and went, left their trinkets galore. At eminence, it was eminent, there was something a foot below. We were stuck high and dry neath backwoods willows. Seymour, Seymour, went looking for you, but that monsoon rain washed the table right on through. Seymour, Sylvester, Dubendorf, he wanted to write for the papers, of course, but he found God in the boils down below. Told stories of the land, grittier than flapjacks rolled in sand, cracked his head in a rapid made by rain. Well, Doobie thought he saw the line, didn't make the cut on time, ended up capsized down below. Seymour, Seymour, went looking for you, but that monsoon rain washed the table right on through. We were all stacked up together, 6 boats wide. We watched those big blue boats motor on by. Cora, Cora, she greased that line. It's like she's been running it since 1869. Seymour, when looking for you. That monsoon rains wash the table right on through. Seymour, you went and you showed me the way. Well, I see more and I saw more, and she creased that line today. Rain has come across the land, written rapid yet again. I'll try to go where the water's going slow. Well, I'll try to cheat that rapid right, but the fire river's full of fire and spite. Dewey sends me for her center hole. So I lit myself a doobie as I went and plugged into that hole. I rocked and then I rattled and I came out Julia Stone. Seymour, when looking for you. But that monsoon rain washed the table right on through. Seymour, you went and you showed me the way. And I see more and I saw more when I plugged that hole today. Paddled on into that eddy, watching those raft frames turn to jelly. 6 boats wide turned to 2. I saw my trip leader get swept out to the left. That's when I started pulling till I ran out of breath. Pushed like hell, still ended up on the rail. Stern smashed hard, new kind of tail, below black tail. Seymour, you showed me the way. But I see more and I saw more and I went right today. Down at ye old pay and take where Teddy tells his tales. Raven shares her treasures, boatmen divulge the rapid fails. Bartender pours another as our crew comes striding forth. We ran a Grand New Rapid, New Bend Door. Ice cold Sundays on a lazy afternoon. Ice cold Mondays coming too soon. I wish I had ice cream. My butthole would be mad, but I like